This tutorial will help you to install Riggear Glassback skin type. You will need a hairdryer during the installation process. First, wipe out the entire surface of the phone. It is important to not leave any dust. Remove the camera skin and reattach to the back of the skin's layer. Align the skin carefully. You can lift it up and redo it again if the skin is misaligned. Next, continue with the bottom part. Remove the body skin and then reattach at the end of the layer. Align the skin on the bottom corners and then apply firm pressure. Then you need to change the layer position. Lift up the layer and place it horizontally. Align the skin around camera and flash. You can tilt to right and left to make sure that skin is aligned perfectly. In case you misaligned the skin, you can slowly lift up and realign it again. Remove the paper from pulling it left to right. Then apply pressure to the remaining portion. And smooth out the back surfaces until there's no bubble left. Next, grab your hairdryer and get the back edge of the skin until it softens for at least 15 seconds. Apply equal pressure from top to bottom and use your microfiber cloth to smooth out the edges.
Repeat the process for the remaining 3 sides.
Well done, you have successfully installed the Riggear skin perfectly.